Hello everybody, and in today's video I'll teach you guys how to log in your PayPal account. So open your browser on your phone. I'm using my Chrome browser over here, but you can use whatever browser you want. And yeah, before starting this video, be sure to like and subscribe to our channel because we make content like this. So to get notified for our future video, be sure to subscribe with notification on, and let's start today's video without any further ado. So on your search bar, type PayPal and then search for PayPal, then go on PayPal. As you guys can see over here, you can click on PayPal, and once you're in its page, you can click on login, which is at the top right corner right below download. Now you can enter your email over here and your password over here. So I've already entered my email, so let me enter my password. So after you enter your password of your PayPal account and the email, and if it is correct, then when you press on login, then you should be able to log in. So as you guys can see, I was able to log in. So that's basically how you log into your PayPal account. So if you guys found this video helpful, then be sure to like and subscribe with notification on, and comment down below what type of video we should make next. And I'm signing out. Have a nice day, everybody. Peace out.